From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to the jarring sound of a traditional alarm clock? What if I told you there's a better way to start your day with the wake-up light? This game-changing clock radio is designed to simulate a gentle sunrise, gradually increasing in brightness over 30 minutes, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and energized. The wake-up light is a top-rated and best-selling product that's been well-reviewed by thousands of customers who've made the switch to a more peaceful morning routine. One of the standout features of the wake-up light is its sound therapy hub, which offers 9 natural wake-up sounds, including the soothing calls of birds and the gentle lapping of waves against the shore, creating a calming atmosphere that signals to your brain that it's time to wake up. The device also includes 8 sleep-inducing white noises, such as rain or ocean waves, to help you drift off to sleep at night. The multi-scene lighting is another notable feature, with 7-color adjustable ambience that can be tailored to your mood, whether you're reading a book, relaxing, or navigating your bedroom in the dark. The wake-up light is also incredibly convenient, with dual alarms and a snooze function that allows you to customize your wake-up schedule for weekdays and weekends. The compact bedside design is eco-friendly and fits snugly on your nightstand, making it the perfect addition to your bedroom. Whether you're a chronic snoozer or just looking for a more gentle way to start your day, the wake-up light is the perfect solution. With its unique combination of features and benefits, it's no wonder that so many people have made the switch to this innovative clock radio, and I highly recommend giving it a try to experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.